Hi, I'm Kiani. I'm your local plumber from Affinity Water. We understand how important it is to keep your water running and that you feel comfortable during our visits. The safety of our people and customers is our number one priority, so we wanted to share our process for home visits with you so you know what to expect. Please be aware that we will not be able to visit your home if anyone in your household has any COVID-19 symptoms, is self-isolating or is shielding under instruction. If your situation changes following booking an appointment, please let us know as soon as possible so we can rearrange this for you. All our Affinity Water plumbers can be identified by their uniform and ID cards. We will do as much of our work as we can outside your home, but where we need to enter your home, we will ensure that we wear protective equipment, including face masks, gloves and shoe covers. We will need you to let us know where your water stop tap or water meter is and ask that you leave all doors and relevant cupboard doors open to allow easy access. We may also ask you to open a window in the room where we'll be working to make sure the space is well ventilated. If we need to speak with you, we will do so either whilst outside your property or at a distance of 2 metres or more. Once our work is finished, we will wipe any surfaces we have touched down with antibacterial wipes, but to ensure your safety, we also advise you to wipe down applicable surfaces. It is important to us that you feel comfortable during our visits, and we will do our best to minimise the time we need to spend in your home. If you are concerned about an upcoming home visit, please contact us and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.